Terangkanlah, terangkanlah jiwa yang berkabut, langkah penuh dosa. Bila masa
What are you doing here?
I'm just reflection.
Why are you reflection?
All of to pray to Allah, but I don't know how to appreciate.
I can teach you.
Really? You can teach.
Yes, let's go.
Are you sure?
Yes, come on.
Let's go.
tatanya dalam resah, dalam pasrah.
Oh, I forget. For take conclusion, we must release our shoes. Okay. 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 Before take conclusion, we must say Bismillah before. Okay. Okay. Look at me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Wash both hands up to the waist 3 times, making sure that water has reached between the fingers. Put a handful of water into your mouth and rinse it thoroughly 3 times. Clean your nose by sniffing water into it and extract the water you just sniffed. Repeat the step 3 times. Wash your face 3 times from right ear to left ear and from forehead to throat. Next, wash your right arm and then your left arm thoroughly. This fine up to elbow 3 times. Wet fingers and palms over your head from the top of forehead all the way to the back of the head, and next clean your ears. Finally, wash both feet to the ankles, starting with the right foot, shaking sure that water has reached between the toes and back of the feet.
Okay. The last, don't forget for pray to Allah. After you take ablution, this is dua. Asyhadu la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Amin. Now you can do it.
Oh, thank you for teaching me.
Yes. Yeah. You're welcome.
I'll be gonna do it on my own.
Yes.